The president of the People's National Party, Mark Goldin, is calling for unity and an end to the divisiveness and tensions within the People's National Party. Mark Goldin, who is the leader of the opposition and president of the People's National Party, is urging the members of the PNP to unite now. Mark Goldin has emphasized that members and supporters of the PNP must come together so that they can take on the role and responsibility that they were destined to take on, to ensure that the PNP can resume office in Jamaica House and to defend and promote the interest and well-being of the Jamaican people. According to Mark Goldin, the PNP is the party of Norman Washington Manley, Michael Manley, P.J. Patterson, Portia Simpson Miller, and Peter Phillips. His call is for all members and supporters to come together as comrades. Goldin went on to urge members and supporters of the party to put aside their differences and social media disagreements. The PNP leader further mentioned that his commitment to the cause is clear and that his intentions are to ensure that all comrades work together in a united manner. Mark Goldin went on to state that whilst the PNP has encountered major challenges after the internal presidential elections, and also while new challenges may surface, as the leader of the party, he remains optimistic that the PNP is getting ready to reclaim its primary position as a formidable opposition and Jamaica's next democratically elected government. He further emphasized that there are various initiatives that have been started by the party, and he also reminded comrades to focus their energies on positive occurrences within the organization. Goldin mentioned the establishment of the Unity Committee and the communique that was signed on May 31st by all officers within the political party. He says that this shows that steps are being taken in the right direction. He further went on to mention the establishment of the Junior Shadow Cabinet, and he sees this as an opportunity for the party's youth to hone and develop their talents by advocating for justice and human rights. Mark Goldin said that the PNP is undaunted by the majority of seats that are held in Parliament by the Jamaica Labour Party. He says that in Parliament, whilst the PNP seems to be little, they are Talawa. He says that they are strong in the sectoral debates, they are strong in the budget debates, and they are strong on legislation. Mark Goldin further went on to urge comrades not to be their own worst enemies. He says that they should throw down their arms and come together in unity. He also went on to state that love is paramount to unity. Mark Goldin's concerns and recommendations would have surfaced as a result of the ongoing challenges that have been faced by the People's National Party in relation to the struggle for power and the issues surrounding its General Secretary. Some persons have called for him to facilitate a peaceful transfer of power within the party. Many persons are even concerned that there are those within the unit who are planning to oust the party leader. There are some persons in the public domain who are concerned that even the Deputy Opposition Senate Leader, Scott-Motley, is considering her future as a member of the Upper House of Parliament. However, according to Scott-Motley, this is not true. When asked whether or not there was any truth to her being disgruntled at the PNP's handling of the controversies surrounding the General Secretary, Campbell, she stated that there is no truth to say. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you agree with the opinions that have been shared in this session. Do you also agree with the leader of the PNP, Mark Goldin, that the PNP must unite now and that they must remember their foremost responsibility, which is to defend and promote the interest of the people of Jamaica? Do you also agree with him that they need to remember that their destiny is to take on the role and challenges of becoming a more formidable opposition and working towards becoming the next democratically elected government of Jamaica? Thanks for watching and goodbye.